Hello students, today we will do some numericals on light reflection and refraction chapter. So before going to solve numericals, you have to know few formulas and sign conventions. So first I will give introduction about that. So here, first of all we have one formula R is equal to 2F. So here R is radius of curvature, F is focal length. So whenever we read the ray diagrams, we know that. So radius of curvature is always taken twice of that of the focal length. So R is equal to 2F is one formula. Or if you take F, then R by 2 will be your formula. So if we know F, then we can find out R also, and if we know R, we can find out F. So we have a relation between radius of curvature and focal length. So in your chapters, so we have studied about mirrors as well as lenses. So mirrors formula is same, whether it is convex mirror or concave mirror, same mirror formula we use. Whether it is concave lens or convex lens, same lens formula we use. So you need not remember different formulas for different one. So same formula will do for both the types of lenses. Same lenses as well as mirrors. So your mirror formula is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. You already know what is u here. U is object distance, v is image distance, and f is focal length. So we also know magnification formula. Magnification for mirror is minus v by u, minus v by u, that is also equal to h dash by h, where h dash is height of the image, where h is height of the object. So this and all we have studied in our theory classes, in our lectures. No? Even lens formula is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, so magnification is v by u is equal to h dash by h. So how to remember these formulas? So see here, for mirror you get positive 1 by v, 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. But for magnification you will get minus. So you can remember m. So mirror magnification minus, mirror magnification minus. So m. So all are mirror. If it is mirror, magnification you will get it as minus. If it is minus, then formula will be plus. So it is positive. Here if it is negative, here it will be positive. So one thing if you remember, remembering the other thing is very easy. So here lens means, so you can remember magnification will be positive. So lens formula you should get it as negative, but you have to take care. So here 1 by v is a first term, 1 by v is a first term, 1 by u is a second term. Here you can write in any order, that doesn't make any difference because it is positive. But here you have to make sure v is first term, 1 by v is first term, minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay. So by knowing these formulas you can proceed with the problems, but you have to remember also sign conventions here. So what are sign conventions, whether to take it as positive or negative, all that you have to take care, or else you are going to end up with wrong answers. So I have written all sign convention for all types of mirrors and lenses. So two types of mirror and two types of lenses here. So to know this, you have to remember the ray diagrams properly. So ray diagrams, if you know, and all I have already taught you sign conventions. Once again you go through and remember. So all the distances should be measured from pole or optical center. If the distance is measured in the direction of the light, then it is taken as positive. If it is in the opposite direction, then it is taken as negative. So all those points you have to keep in mind. Then you can write this. For convex mirror, the focal length will be positive. Okay. Object distance is negative because object is always kept in the left side. So it is negative. Image. So image, there are two cases. In both the cases, the image will be formed behind the mirror. Okay, behind the mirror. So it is positive in that case. So in both the cases it is positive. So you have to remember this for convex mirror. Similarly for concave mirror, focal length is negative, object distance is negative. Okay, and image distance here, in the first 5 cases you will get it as negative because the image will form in the same side that of the object. But in the last case, image will be formed behind the mirror. That is virtual and direct case. So in the 6th case, the image distance is positive, but in all other 5 cases, the image distance is negative. So in case of convex lens, so this is about mirrors. Okay, this is about mirrors. You have to remember this sign convention. Okay, in case of convex lens, so focal length is positive, image distance is, object distance is negative. Image distance is positive in 5 cases because it is formed on the other side, so it is positive in 5 cases, and negative in the 6th case because it is formed in the same side that of the object. So here you have to remember like this. And concave lens, focal length is negative, object distance is negative, image distance is negative in both the cases. So here you can have some hints to remember this. See, object distance you observe, everywhere it is negative because by default we are keeping object always in the left side. So the distance measured from the pole, it is left side, that is opposite the direction of the light. So we will always take negative. So here also u is negative, u is negative, u is negative, u is negative. Okay. If it is convex, okay, convex means focal length will be positive. Here also convex, whether it is lens or mirror. If it is convex means focal length will be positive. Concave, so focal length will be negative. So you have to remember like that. So object distance is negative in all the cases. Whether it is mirrors or lenses, it is in all the four types it is negative only. Focal length is positive in vex cases. So convex mirror or convex lens it is positive. Concave mirror or concave lens it is negative. Then image distance you have to remember by remembering the cases. So what we did in the ray diagrams cases, you can remember that, so that it is very easy for you to proceed with the problems. You will not do any mistakes. Okay. So let us quickly do two problems. Hope you can do along with me and take pen and paper. So I am going to do NCERT examples only, whatever is solved in your book. So I want you to open your NCERT book and keep it ready. Okay, open page number, light chapter, question number 10.1, solved example from your textbook. So example 10.1. Along with me you can also read the question. A convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. So radius of curvature is given, that is 3 meter. Okay. If a bus is located at 5 meter, so bus here is an object. So image distance, that is object distance. Bus is located at 5 meter. So I am giving gap so that we will write the sign there. And from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image they are asking. So they have given only this much data. So we know that R is equal to 2F. So we know the formula R is equal to 2F. So whether it is so, it is a convex mirror here. Convex mirror. Convex mirror. You have to remember this. Then only you can proceed with the sign convention as well as formula. So it is mirror. So you have to use mirror formula. Convex. So you have to use sign conventions of convex mirror. Okay, so R is equal to 2F we have, F is equal to R by 2. So R is 3 by 2. R is given here in the question, 3 by 2, so that we will get it as 1.5. Okay, now we have to take care of sign convention. So U is always negative, so minus you can write. F is, so convex, so it is positive here. Okay, so now you can apply mirror formula. So 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. Okay, so 1 by U is minus 5 plus 1 by V, we don't know, we have to find it. Find the value of V. 1 by F is minus, okay, plus 1.5. Okay, so just send minus 1.5 that side, 1 by 5 that side. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 1.5 plus 1 by 5. So here when it is minus, if I send that side, it will become plus. So to remove this fraction, what I will do, I will just multiply and divide by 2. Okay, I will multiply and divide by 2. So what we will get here is 2 by 3 we will get. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Okay, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So you can take LCM here. So I will continue this side. So 1 by V is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 we have. So you can take LCM here. 5 3s are 15 is LCM. So 5 into 2 plus 1 into 3 by 15 you will get. So 1 by, so 5 2s are 10 plus 3 1s are 3. So 10 plus 3 by 15 or 1 by V is equal to 13 by 15. You take reciprocal on both the sides. Take reciprocal on both the sides. You will get V is equal to 15 by 13. So if you cancel this, 13 ones are 13, you will be left with 2 0. So again 13 ones are, okay, again 13 ones are 7 will be left out. So 13 5s is 65, so 13 5 will take. So I'll just stop there. So let me stop here only. So B you got it as 1.15 centimeter, sorry meter. So here all the measurements are in meter. So 1.15 meter. Now how to find magnification? So this is how we have found the position of the image. So position of the image is 1.15 meter. So if you want to find magnification, so use formula minus V by U. So minus V is 1.15 by minus U. U is minus 5. U is minus 5. So if you do this, I leave this calculation for you. So you will get answer as plus 0.23. You will get it as plus 0.23. So this is the answer. So this is all about the problem. So here we have found the position of the image as well as magnification. Nature you can only tell. So here magnification is positive, means the mirror image formed is virtual and correct. If magnification is negative, then it is real and inverted. Okay. So I think you understood this problem. So let us do one more problem. So example 10.3 from your textbook. It is also solved example. So here I am doing one problem from mirror and one problem from lens. But I want you to solve more number of problems so that you will become better. Okay. So keep all your doubts. Okay, question number 10.3, example 10.3 from your solved example. A concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. So focal length is given, that is 15 centimeter. So it is a concave lens. So concave lens 15 centimeter. Concave means focal length is negative. Okay, here 15 centimeter it is. And at what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter? So it forms an image means that is image distance, that is V is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, V is equal to 10 centimeter from the lens. Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Okay, also find the magnification. So here we have to take it as, so in concave lens. So what are the cases we have? In concave lens we have only two cases. In the both the cases the image distance is negative. So here you have to take as negative. So image distance as negative. So here you have to find out U as well as magnification. So apply lens formula. Lens formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So you have to apply sign convention here. So 1 by minus 10 minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by minus 15. So minus 1 by 10 you send that side. So you get minus 1 by U is equal to minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. Okay, you can take LCM here and solve it. Minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by, I will take 5 common here, 1 by minus 1 by 5 I will take common. So I will be left with minus also I have taken. So 1 by 3 plus minus, because I have taken minus, here I will get minus again. So 1 by 2 I will get. So minus 1 by U is equal to minus 1 by 5 into 3 2s are 6. So 2 minus 3 by 6. Okay, here you can cancel minus and minus on both sides. So 1 by U is equal to 1 by 5. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 6. So 5 6 are 30. So minus 1 by 30. U will be minus 30. If you take reciprocal on both the sides, you get U is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Okay. Then you can find magnification here also. M is equal to, here it is only just V by U. Only V by U. But anyway, I have to consider the signs of U and V here. So here V is minus 10 and U is minus 30. Minus minus get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. You get M as 1 by 3. If you further simplify, you may get 0.1333 like this. Okay. I hope you understood these two problems. I want you to try more number of problems in different ways so that you will become better in solving the numericals. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys.